Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will clear the missing frequencies of arithmetic mean. Here statement is given, statement is related to discrete series because here frequency is given and this is single missing frequency. Discrete series, single missing frequency, because further we have calculated two or more than two missing frequencies in a series. So let us start. Here the values, marks are given. Marks means the values of x are given: 10, 12, 20, 5 and 40. Then the number of students, it means f is given, which is 5. Then missing frequency 8, 6 or 11. So here frequency is missing. And now let us do calculate the values of missing frequency. Find out missing frequency if mean of the series is 20, that is given. It means the value of arithmetic mean is equal to 20. This is given value and we have to calculate this missing value, missing frequency. Let us put this missing frequency as F1. Let the missing frequency will be equivalent to F1. And we are calculating next, in our next column we are calculating Fx, because this is discrete series, so the values of f will be multiplied by the values of x. It will be 10 multiplied by 5, 50. Then 12 multiplied by f1, 12 f1. Then 20 multiplied by 8, 160. 5 multiplied by 6, 30. And last one is 11 multiplied by 40, 440 will be the values. Let us do calculate what will be the summation of n. So here the values of n will be, n is equal to sum total of all the values, 11 plus 6, 17. It will be 30. 30 plus f1. And the value of sigma fx is equal to, it will be equivalent to 440 plus 30 plus 160 plus 50 is equal to 680. 680 plus 12 f1. These will be the values. And now let us calculate, let us put the values in the formula. X bar is equal to summation fx divided by n is equal to the value of sigma fx. Recently we have derived, which is equivalent to 680 plus 12 f1 divided by the value of n are 30 plus f1, and the value of arithmetic mean is also given, which is 20. So by cross multiplication, 20 multiplied by 30 plus f1 is equal to 680 plus 12f1 or 600 plus 20f1 is equal to 680 plus 12f1 or 20f1 minus 12f1 is equal to 680 minus 600. So this will be equivalent to 8f1 is equal to 80, or the value of f1 is equal to 80 divided by 8 is equal to 10. So we have derived the value of f1 as this is 10. This is the answer. 10 will be the value of f1. So in this way we can calculate the missing frequencies. Either there is a single missing frequency or there can be two missing frequencies also. So do subscribe the channel to see more videos related to arithmetic mean. In my next video we will clear two missing frequencies of discrete series and continuous series. Thank you.